Hello everyone and welcome to Plague Inc. Custom Scenarios. For this first episode, I am playing Nature's Revenge by Jack of Hearts. In attempts to restore the Earth to its natural form, the government has secretly created an artificial virus that alters a person's ideas and actions to be more eco-friendly. However, one forgotten line of code has significantly changed its purpose. Okay, it's a nanobot, eh? Okay, now I got all 3 of these genes and think we're ready to go. And it's Project N. Okay. Okay, now it's an arid area, so I get a bonus. So like for these like custom scenarios, all these little symptoms and like transmissions are different. So what should I go for first? I just go for like infectivity. Oh yeah, and the cure is already starting? What? Don't know how this one works, but starting right now? What? Oh, it's already spread to Australia. Okay, now I better like get this like climate adaptation, because like there's all these cold countries and like warm countries. And I played this game once before I recorded it, and that Greenland and Russia really screwed me over because it's so cold back there. Okay, now I'm getting to some rich countries. Let's just get these 2. Also, some water here. Oh my, are we infecting quickly? I didn't expect this one to be this infectious. Okay, now what now? I think get this further one too, because there's all these rich countries too. I want it to be spread as far as possible before I evolve too much of the symptoms. Oh wait, it's already 20. Goddamn. Better start reshuffling. Oh god, it costs 18. Come on. Okay, let's just reshuffle right now because it's already getting too far ahead. I mean, how can you make a cure for something that you didn't discover yet? I mean, it goes against all logic. I mean, yeah, you like created it, but you don't know there's something wrong. Oh my gosh, I want everything to like speed up already. Speed up. Okay, let's just wait for all these countries to get infected first. 20. Okay, emotional outburst. That increases severity. Let's go for some lethality right now. This one gets the most lethality. Yeah, because we already got most countries and not that patient. But in this scenario, because of the cure, that's already starting. 24. Okay, one more. Okay, there goes Greenland. Okay, reshuffle again. These reshuffle things really take too little cure percentages off. I hope they do more. That. Okay. I don't think it's infectious enough. Okay, let's go beastly hosts. Let's go for a bit further. Oh, come on, stuff in Greenland so slow. Okay, reshuffle again. Okay, let's go for the homes, because it increases transmission slightly as well. Germany leading cure effort. Photosynthesis mutated. Okay, now they are all focusing on it. Yeah, as if just starting a cure even before it was found wasn't enough. They're already focusing it. It's as if they weren't focusing on it when it's first like released. Really hope some of them fall into anarchy so that the cure doesn't go too far, because it already is too far. Let's see. Let's take this plant too. Spore burst. Do I need a spore burst? Nope, all the countries are infected. Maybe I don't need a spore burst when some of those things, some of those infected die too quickly, like the ones in like Greenland. Cause remember that I said Greenland and Russia are the ones that screwed me over. But now it won't be because Russia is gone, and I'm pretty sure that Greenland will be gone too pretty soon. But the infection's so slow. Let's just get a bit more. Wait, which one should I use? There it goes. Host harmony or mind control. Okay, let's get this one because it directly influences the infectiousness. Stuff in Greenland. Oh no! Come on. The lethality is too high. God damn it. Let's hold on. Let's take this one down so that we get the people in Greenland to like get more infected before they get killed off. Okay, now it's quite stable. I think it's not lasting long enough in that cold climate. Maybe that's why. Emotional outburst mutated. Okay, now it's going somewhere. Who let the dogs out? Pound's pet stores worldwide have completely sold out of animals leaving, everyone wondering why. Meanwhile, more Pounds and pet stores are being built in order to collect more money from the sudden customers. Infected are outraged. Well, that's good. I like how the Jack of Hearts, the author of this scenario, decided to make a flashcard for like almost all of these like symptoms in the long run. Attack. Bee farms have been reported to be attacked by mobs. Okay. I guess everyone's trying to set free all the animals and insects, kind of thing. Okay, now Greenland looks like it's covered in red dots, but still it isn't half infected. Because look, it's almost completely covered and still... Okay, now it's going somewhere. Now we can re-evolve that symptom. But I don't have enough DNA. Oh, damn it. Okay, I guess I'll just wait slowly for them to all die. Is Greenland the only one alive? No, there's several other countries. I bet they're all dying slowly. Insanity mutated, okay? I can't do anything to increase the lethality because I don't have enough genes. I mean DNA. So, let's see. Will I be get enough for this one? Yeah, if I devolve this water thing, I get enough for another lethality. There we go. Yeah, I'd say that it's good enough to accelerate the death rate enough for that. There's still this much like active cure, even when the whole world, almost the whole world is dead, and there are only a few people left here that are dying for some reason. Shouldn't all these countries be in anarchy right now? Because all of them are infected and are dying? Yeah, this one's in total anarchy. And this one, with only less than 100 people infected, it's still close to anarchy and not in anarchy. This is something wrong with the game's logic. Okay. Woo! We got this. We won the first game in the Plague Inc. Custom Scenarios. Yay! Okay, so... Well, let's leave right now. Okay, so I would recommend this to other players as well, yeah. Okay, well, that's the end of this episode. if you want me to play some of my other games, you can leave a suggestion in the comments down below. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!